Libby. Look at that little turkey butt. Are you a turkey butt?
I'm a turkey butt too.
You're a turkey butt too.
I'm a turkey butt.
You're a kitty cat butt. Gonna come up here? Should we try your shoes on, ladies? Let's look at this. Gonna put your hat on, Libby? The hat. She has a bow even. Yes, that's right. Those are my amateur crafting skills. Right, Lissa? What does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Well, you don't say meow. You say quack